mago motene kod weche mag thieth pod wadhi nyime ne riwruok mar jochiw thieth e pacho ka KUCO kwayo piny owacho mamalo mondo ket maino e counties 21 moriwo county ma Kisumu, Busia gi Siaya magin counties manyalo gamo tuo mar Ebola e yo mayot.
Jakom mar riwruogno Peterson Wachira olero ni nitie nok ma jotich e sekta mar thieth ka oseahinya piny owacho kuom keto tenge pach jokanyo mar riwruok mar lakteche maneno ni okawo okang' manimba mar kedo gi tuoche malandore mapiyo.
Peterson dwaro ni piny owacho mamalo ndik jotich moko kendo chiw puonj ne jopiny e wi tuo mar Ebola ka gie sani piny libamba ma Uganda ji 38 osegamo tuono kama moko 7 to osewito ngimagi.
When we came from West Africa, we gave them a very good report and even proposed, can we have a department that will be able to look at Ebola or the infectious diseases in terms of capacity building and responding, a rapid response team that trains health workers and will be able to respond and help them respond. That was not put in place until COVID-19. Now COVID-19 is here and we don't even seem to have learned from the lessons of COVID-19. We have not been able to learn and try and curb the shortage of health workers that we saw really affected us after COVID-19.
Our borders are still very porous and there is no check system that has been put in place. So that's to mean there is no clear surveillance which is there. Yes, we want to applaud the government that already there have been around 20 cases that were suspected to be Ebola and have been tested through chemically and were found negative. That is better. But we want to say categorically, if any case were to turn positive, the issues and the strategies that need to be put in place are not very clear.